Paper 7 Inorganic Chemistry 2 Metal Ligand Polyelectron Spectrum and Magnetic Property of Transition Metal Complex 19 Isomerism Part 1 Constitutional or Structural Isomerisms Table of Content Lining Outcome Isomerism in Coordination Complex Constitutional or Structural Isomerisms Separation of coordination isomers Polymerization isomerism Ionization isomerism Solvent or hydroisomerism Coordination position isomerism Linkage isomerism, ligands isomerism, solve problem, stereoisomerism, geometric isomerism, optical isomerism, summary. Learning outcome. After studying these modules, you shall be able to know about the complex having same chemical formula for different structure arrangement. Learn the type of structure isomerism in detail. Identify the number of isomers possible for the given empirical formula. Evaluate type of isomerism possible for given empirical formula. Isomerism in coordination complex. Compound having identical empirical formula but differing in their physical and chemical property are known as isomer. This phenomenon is known as isomerism. Two principal types of isomerisms are known among coordination compounds. Each of one can be further subdivided. Constitutional or structural isomerism. A. Cornish isomerism. B. Polymerization isomerism. C. Ionomerism. D. Hydroisomerism. E. Coordination position isomerism. F. Linkage isomerism. G. Ligand isomerism. Second stereo isomerism. A. Geometric isomerism. B. Optical isomerism. Third, constitutional and or structural isomerism. Constitutions and or structural isomers are the molecules that have the same number of and type of atoms but attach in different orders. These isomers have very different physical chemical property. There are numerous forms of structural isomerism, but only seven of the most common one are described below. 3.1 Coordination isomerism. This type of isomerism is found in special case, where both cation and anion part in the compounds are complex. Now, the metal center of both the cation and anion part can act as coordinator center. Isomerisms arise from a different distribution of ligand between the two metalli. Thus, two isomers differ only in distribution of ligand between the cation and anion part of the complex. For example, a pair of CuNS36 CrCN6 versus CrNS36 CuNCN6 form a coordination isomer figure 1. Intermediate time between these extremes are also possible by the exchange of ammonia CN minus ligand between CO3 of cation complex and Cr3 of anionic complex to form two coordination isomers. Two more isomers are possible for the same chemical formula CuNS3 5 CN, CrNS3 CN5, and CuNS3 4 CN2, CrNS2 CN4, and the term CONS3 CN3 and CnS33 CN3 are natural complex, so they will act as independent complex. Some additional examples of coordination isomerisms are as follows: A different metal ions and bidentate ligands COEN3Cr CO243 and COEN2C2O4 CrEnC2O42 is an example of this type of isomerisms. Figure 2 and Figure 3, where EN refers to ethylene diamine and C2O4 refers to oxalate ligands. In this case, also one more isomer, CrEn2C2O4 and COEnC2O42 is possible between these two extremes for the same empirical formula. B. Identical metal ion but Different ligand examples CuNS3 4 is NO2 2, CuNS3 2 NO2 4, and CuNS3 6 NO2 6. Another possible isomer is CuNS3 5 NO2, CuNS3 3 NO2 5 for the same Baker formula. Say identical metal ion in different oxidation state for different ligand example P2 platinum 4 NSA4Cl2 platinum Cl4 platinum versus platinum 4 NSA4 platinum Cl6. Separation of the coordination isomers. Coordination isomer can be separated by ions exchange method. Using this method, one can separate cation and anion easily. The solution of the complex is first passed through cation exchange reactions and then through anion exchange reactions for stepwise separation. Polymerization isomerism. It is a special case of coordination isomerism. Polymerization isomerism arises when a series of compounds have the same Baker formula but different molecular masses. It is not a conventional polymerization involving the linking of a single separating units. An octahedral complex with the formula MXXBNN polymerization isomers are often possible. An example of the polymerization isomerism is presented by the series of the compound in which both the cation and anion contain CO3 and which have the same empirical formula. The value of n is greater than or equal to 1. Several compounds of the empirical formula CuNS3NO23 n can be isolated as following. CuNS3NO23 n equal to 1. CuNS3 4NO22 plus CuNS3 2NO24 minus n equal to 2. CuNO3 6 3 plus CuNO2 6 3 minus n equal to 2. CuNS3 5NO22 plus CuNS3 2NO2 4 2 minus n equal to 3. CuNS3 6 3 plus CuNS3 2 NO2 4 3 minus n equal to 4. Thus, there are 5 isomers possible for the same Baker formula. Another example for polymerization isomerism is compound of empirical formula platinum NH3 to CO2N that can have following isomers. Platinum NH3 to CO2N equal to 1. Platinum NH3 4. Platinum Cl4N equal to 2. Platinum NH3 4. Platinum NH3 Cl3 2N equal to 3. Platinum NH3 3 Cl2 and Cl4N equal to 3. So there are 4 isomers possible for the same empirical formula. Ionization isomerisms. The compound will say